Hi viewers, in this video we are going to discuss about the femoral nerve. Here is a femoral nerve. The nerve is a branch of the lumbar plexus, and the lumbar plexus is found within the substance of the psoas major muscle. Here is the psoas major muscle, and the nerve emerges out through the lateral border, and it is formed by the union of the dorsal division of the ventral rami of L2, 3 and 4. The nerve enters the thigh by passing deep to the inguinal ligament lying lateral to the femoral artery, and the nerve is found in a groove between the iliacus laterally and psoas major medially. The same relationship can be seen here in the greater pelvis also. The psoas major medially and the iliacus laterally, it is in the groove. And after about 2 centimeters below it, it divides into branches, okay? And you can see a bunch of nerves coming out from this thing. Some of the branches are in front of the lateral circumflex femoral artery, and some branches are behind. So it can be divided, the nerve divides into an anterior division and a posterior division for descriptive purpose. The anterior division gives off cutaneous branch and muscular branches to the sartorius. The cutaneous branch is actually the intermediate cutaneous nerve of thigh and the medial cutaneous nerve of thigh. Of course, here is the lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh, which we have seen it earlier in the discussion on the femoral triangle. And so this is lateral cutaneous coming from the lumbar plexus directly. And the muscular branches can be more than one. You can see one branch entering into this thing, and lower down also you can see a nerve supplying it. So it is a multiple nerve supplying the sartorius muscle because it's the longest muscle. Now, from the posterior division, this is all from the anterior division, and here is from the posterior division, you have the muscular branches to the muscles, quadriceps femoris. The muscular branches to the 4 parts of the quadriceps femoris. The rectus femoris is here. The vastus medialis is here, the vastus lateralis. Between the vastus medialis and lateralis, deep to the rectus, you have the vastus intermedius. So 4 muscular branches are given off from the posterior division. And it gives one cutaneous branch, and the muscular branches, we'll just look at the muscular branches. Here you can see one nerve, thick nerve comparatively, entering the upper part of the subsartorial canal and leaves that canal and supplies the vastus medialis, nerve to vastus medialis. And the nerves to the vastae give off articular tweak to the knee joint. This nerve also, after supplying, it gives an articular tweak. Similarly, you have the branches coming, this one is to the vastus intermedius. You can see the nerve to vastus intermedius, and this nerve which you see here is supplying the rectus femoris muscle. And here is a branch which supplies the vastus lateralis. So muscular branches to the 4 parts, which the nerve to the rectus not only supplies the rectus, but also it gives an articular tweak to the hip joint. Please remember, the articular tweak to the hip joint is derived from the nerve to the rectus femoris, whereas the articular tweaks to the knee joints are coming from the muscular branches to the 3 vastae. And the cutaneous nerve deserves a better explanation, and we will see that here is the saphenous nerve, because it is the longest cutaneous nerve. It starts as a branch of the posterior division, and you can see it enters the subsartorial canal, and here in fact it crosses the artery, femoral artery, from lateral to medial, runs it, and then here lower part it pierces the vasto-adductor membrane and then runs behind the sartorius. You can see that now here. It's somewhere here it pierces the deep fascia of thigh and becomes cutaneous. Till then it is very deep. And you can see that nerve running along the great saphenous vein on the medial aspect of the leg, and it can be seen even in front of the medial malleolus. You can see that nerve here, and then it comes and supplies the skin over the medial border up to the ball of the big toe. So up to there. So it's the longest cutaneous nerve of the body. It also gives, the posterior division gives off a vascular twig to the femoral artery. You can see this tiny twig is the vascular branch. So to summarize the branches, you know the speciality, this nerve, as soon as in the femoral triangle, it divides into a lot of branches, and the lateral circumflex artery is passing through the branches. So whatever in front will be branches from the anterior division, whatever behind will be the branches from the posterior division. So anterior division, one muscular branch to the sartorius, and the cutaneous branches, the intermediate and the medial cutaneous nerve of thigh. And the posterior division, the muscular branches to the quadriceps femoris, and vascular twig to the femoral artery, and the longest cutaneous nerve, the saphenous nerve. And from the trunk of the nerve, you can see another branch, which, can you see a nerve here? And this nerve passes deep to the femoral vessels, that is femoral sheath, and supplies this muscle. This muscle is the pectineus muscle. This is the pectineus. This is nerve to pectineus. Please remember, it goes deeper to that. The nerve also supplies iliacus, but the iliacus branches are given off when it is in the greater pelvis. You can see the branches to the iliacus, right? So in the thigh, it gives off branches to the pectineus, the sartorius, and to the four parts of the quadriceps femoris. Thank you very much for watching and listening.